We all need to have our toenails cut today.
You're jumping up and down.
Because it's crazy.
You're crazy.
Yeah. You know, big jump.
You did a big jump.
Yeah.
You did the biggest jump.
Yeah. Daddy.
Like this. Go on then.
Wow.
Oh,
A big one.
a big one, wasn't it?
Yeah. You make more.
You gonna do more?
Yeah.
Whoa!
You know, putting two pairs of trousers that are very similar. I think the next ones you can wear like. Do you know what the difference is between the Tokenist?
Yes.
The next ones and say Sainsbury's or Tesco's or whatever.
Oh, all tired now.
Next have drawstring waist and those things that you can adjust it.
Yeah.
So you can start wearing them sooner.
Crazy hair.
It's fresh, isn't it? Yeah, tonight.